with my little Ariel. Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
We are the daughters of Triton, great father who loves us and made us well. A quarter, Katina, Arista, Athena, Stella. Listening up is to her musical debut. Our second little sister representing her to you. To sing a song Sebastian told her voice is like a bell. She's our sister.
Ariel!
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
But if you would just listen.
I am never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
If only I could make him understand. I just don't see things the way he does. I just don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think of the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's it's and what's it's galore. You want think about? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fans, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, weather and free. Wish I could be part of that world.
Yeah, I know. I just hate all that marriage talk. It's just... I just haven't met the right girl. Yet. Oh, believe me, Max. She's out there. Somewhere. I just know it. Okay, wait. Hey! Wait up!
I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. Can you see?
Ariel, what is all this?
It's my collection.
Oh, your collection. Have you lost your mind? Ariel, listen to me. The human world is a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah. Oh no! Seaweed is always greener. It's a no, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you. Right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea. Under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me. They work all day. They slave away. One we devoted full time to floating under the sea. And then you play the flute. And the cow play the harp. And the bass play the bass. And the sound will shout. Oh, the bass play the brass. And the drum play the drum. And so that blowfish blow. Ariel, tell me, what is better than all this?
Oh, Sebastian, you just don't understand.
Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh, what the? Big finish. Sea. Under the sea. Witness a deeping in the beginning. Music to me. What do they got? A lot of time. We got a hot possession. Little clan don't know how to jam you under the sea. Stuck in up and around here under the sea. Each little snail you know how to win here. That's why it's hotter under the water. Yeah, we is blood here. Down in the back here under the sea. Oh, man. Daddy wants to be with the humans. It looks like Triton has a weakness after all. Blossom, Jetsam, bring her to me.
Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help you. Ursula can make all your dreams come true.
The sea witch?
No, angel fish. You're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child. That's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss. The kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you will belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, sip.
But without my voice, how can
You'll
I...
have your looks, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language. Come on, you poor unfortunate soul. Go ahead, make your choice. I'm a very busy woman and I haven't got all day. It won't cost much, just your voice. You poor unfortunate soul. It's sad, but true. If you want to cross a bridge like me, you got to pay the toll. Take a good bit, take a breath, and go ahead and find a scroll. Jackson, now I've got a voice. The boss is on our road. This poor, unfortunate and we will come winds of the Caspian Sea. Princess, no scientists, and max laryngitis, the portrait to me. Now sing. Keep singing.
What's your name? What is it? You can't speak? It's okay. I'm Ariel.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Word. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
You hear something?
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing with me now. Sha la 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 la, my oh my, you look like a boy too shy. Gonna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame too bad? You gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad not knowing your name. Maybe I can guess. Is it Mildred? Okay, no. How about Diana? Rachel?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? Ariel! That's kind of pretty. Okay. Ariel.
Sha la 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 la, put your love and listen to the song. The song say, kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, music, yeah, you got music, then you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl. It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to lead their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy,
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.
I love you, Daddy.